Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what the most common Hisense AC error codes mean and how you can fix them on your own without a second guess. So here you are going to see this type of table. On top of it, you are going to see different types of error codes, like we have error code 1, 2, 5, 6, etc. And you will see why these error occur and how you can basically fix it. So first of all, let's understand with the first error, which is the E1 error. So if you are seeing the E1 or the E2 error, the air conditioner is having trouble reading one of its temperature sensors. So when you are seeing the E1 and the E2 error, you need to simply turn off the AC for a few minutes and then you just have to simply restart it. If the code comes back immediately, it means the sensor or its wiring will need to be checked. Afterwards, we have the E4 and the E6 error. So it is basically relating to the communication or the fan fault. So it usually means that the indoor and the outdoor units aren't communicating properly. So on the indoor fan isn't operating correctly depending on your model. So you just have to simply check the indoor fan whether it is spinning freely and make sure that there hasn't been a recent power interruption. We also have the E5 error code, which often points to a protection mode, which is caused by the low refrigerant, poor outdoor airflow, or an overloaded compressor. So when you see this error, you need to make sure that the outdoor unit isn't blocked by the leaves or debris, or you can clean the condenser if it is dirty. We also have the E9 error code, which is relating to the drainage and the water protection. For the portable models, you just have to simply empty the tank. For split system, you just have to inspect the drain hose for blockages that could basically stop the water from flowing out properly. Now, after basically correcting the issue, you just have to also restart your air conditioner. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.